This video will guide you through methods to help you fix iPhone stuck on hello screen issues. Fix 1. Remove SIM card and restart the phone. To fix issues like an iPhone stuck on the hello screen, remove the SIM card, reboot your phone, and then reinsert the SIM. If it doesn't work, try the next solution. Fix 2. Run out iPhone battery. Let your iPhone battery drain completely, then rest it for 1-2 hours. After charging fully, restart the phone. If the issue persists, try another solution. Fix 3. Force restart the iPhone. For iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the power key until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7, press and hold power and volume down until the Apple logo shows. For iPhone 6 and older, hold power and home until the Apple logo appears. Fix 4. Restore phone in recovery mode with iTunes. Restoring your iPhone in recovery mode via iTunes can fix issues like being stuck on the hello screen, but will erase all data. Make sure to back up your data first. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Launch your iTunes app, then locate your phone in iTunes. Step 2. Set your phone in recovery mode manually. Once your device is in recovery mode, click on Restore appearing in iTunes to start recovery. Fix 5. Restore iPhone in DFU mode. Faulty firmware can cause issues like the iPhone stuck on the hello screen. Restoring your device in DFU mode will reinstall the firmware, making the iPhone unresponsive with a blank screen, but the computer will recognize it. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC. Then launch Finder or iTunes on your PC. Press and release the volume up button quickly, then the volume down button. Step 2. Hold the power button until the screen becomes black. Release the power button after a few seconds, 5-8 seconds, depending on your iPhone version. Fix 6. Secure your phone. Jailbreaking your iPhone removes security measures, making it vulnerable to malware and data breaches, which can cause issues like the hello screen. Use a VPN or premium security suite for protection. Fix 7. Update iOS. An outdated iOS version may cause the iPhone to get stuck on the hello screen. Check for updates to fix software bugs and resolve the issue. Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to General and choose Software Update. Step 3. Verify if there are any updates accessible. If updates are detected, select Download and Install to initiate the installation process. Fix 8. Check your phone's storage. Full storage can cause the iPhone to get stuck on the hello screen. Delete unused data to free up space and restore normal function. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to General and then choose iPhone Storage. Step 3. Identify the apps for which you want to clear the cache and select them. Fix 9. Contact Apple Customer Care to check for hardware. If all solutions fail, consult an Apple technician, as the issue might be a hardware malfunction. Visit an Apple store for a professional diagnosis and repair. Fix 10. Use iOS System Recovery. If other solutions fail, iOS System Recovery can automatically fix iPhone issues, including the hello screen problem. Step 1. Firstly, install the tool on your computer. Once installed, open the software and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Afterward, locate the bottom left corner of the interface and click on More Tools. From there, choose the option for iOS System Recovery. Step 2. After successfully establishing the connection, simply tap on the Start icon to resolve the problem of the iPhone being stuck on the hello screen issues. Step 3. Please carefully review and verify the information displayed about your iPhone as prompted. Once you have confirmed the accuracy of the information, proceed by clicking the Repair button to commence the repair process. Step 4. Subsequently, the software will begin downloading the latest firmware version specifically tailored for your device. This process typically takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Once completed, your iPhone will effectively recover from the iPhone stuck on the hello screen issues.